Hi, I'm Lauren with Westlake Royal Building Products, and today we have some pro tips on our Solar Skin Blue. Pro tip: Solar Skin Blue was designed to be used under clay, concrete, stone-coated steel, and polymer roof systems. Pro tip: to maximize R value, use our elevated batten system. Solar Skin Blue can be used in any climate and at any temperature. Pro tip: use Westlake foil tape at all end laps. Pro tip: do not use staples to fasten Solar Skin Blue. We recommend plastic cap nails. Solar Skin Blue is approved to be used as part of the fortified roof system. Solar Skin Blue is an important part of our cool roof system.